Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are just joining us, please subscribe, like and share this video. In our previous video, we solved some problems on multiplication of decimal by whole numbers. So today I'm going to show you a little trick when you're multiplying decimal by decimal. I've had students tell me I find it difficult to arrange my numbers in decimal multiplication, but this video is going to break it down for you. All right, so if you have to multiply 3.62 by 1.23, remember what I said in my previous video. You treat the decimal number first as a whole number. So let's go. You have 362 times 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 3 times 2 will give us 6. You put your 6 here. 3 times 6 will give us 18. Put your 8, you take 1 here. 3 times 3, 9, plus your 1, you have 10. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 6, you have 12. You put your 2 here, you put your 1. 2 times 3, 6 plus 1, you have your 7. Clean this so you don't get confused. 1 times 2, you have your 2. 1 times 6, 1 times 3. Then you add everything together. The trick is very close. It's coming very close. So please, let's pay attention. All right. So we are going to have 6 here, 12. So you put your 2, you take 1. Here is 5. Okay. Here's 14. And here is 4. Now, this is not our final answer. Write out your answer here. You have 4. You have 4. You have 5. You have 2. You have 6. Now, the next thing to do to get your final answer so you don't get confused about your decimal point is to know your decimal place. Like I said in my previous video, your decimal place has to do with the position of numbers after your decimal number. When you have one after your decimal point, sorry. So when you have one number after your decimal point, that means the expression is in one decimal place. You have two decimal place, all right? So you have two decimal place here. Let's count. Let's go. One decimal place, two decimal place, one decimal place, two decimal place. Now, unlike when you're multiplying decimal with whole numbers where you have to count only the decimal number, in this case, we are dealing with decimal multiplied by decimal. So you are going to be adding the both decimal places together. Let's go. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. So altogether we have how many decimal places? We have 4 decimal places. So you count from the back, not from the front, so you don't get confused. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. You put your decimal point here. So our answer is this. I hope you find it very easy and understanding. I'm going to leave this for you to do for me. Just kindly leave your answers in the comment section for me. You have 3.29. Let me hear your answers. Let me see your answers in the comment section. And if there's any part that is unclear, please feel free to leave a comment for me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye.